YouTube family, what's up? I need you guys to do me a favor. Go over and check out KetoGranny's Way. We're doing a video collaboration, a healthy video collaboration for anyone who are or is a diabetic. This is definitely for you. And this is her slogan. She says, y'all come back to fat, take it off your hips and put it on your lips. Lord, that's a good slogan, folks. So I need you to go over and check out KetoGranny's Way, and let's get into the video right now. YouTube family, KetoGranny's Way is providing the protein and I'm providing the juice. All right, so I have my Calmdo masquerading juicer here, and I'm going to juice up some nice stuff for you guys. We're going to have us a fruit punch to go with our healthy meal. And what I'm showing you right now is the feed barrel. And I'm just attaching this feed barrel to the main body of the Calmdo juicer. And this is the lock mechanism. It'll lock in that feed barrel. And then if you turn that barrel back onto the main body, it'll lock itself on to the main body. All right, the next thing that I'm showing you right here is the screw shaft. It's made of porcelain. And this is what's gonna basically help us get that awesome juice from our fruits and vegetables. And I'm telling you guys right now, this is one of the best juices that I've ever had in my whole entire lifetime. And I've had plenty of these juices because I do love juicing. And what I'm showing you right here at this particular point in time, we got two semicircular metal and plastic cylinders. I'm going to use the metal cylinder. This is good for our juicing of the fruit juice, and that plastic one you can use for sherbet ice cream. Now this here is the cylinder feed cover. I'm going to attach this one to the cylinder feed right now, and all you have to do is just align it and then twist it, and that's it. Now I want to show you also the tray, and I want to show you the pusher. This is the pusher that you will push your vegetables in, and this is the tray that you will put on top. Now along with that, we have a juice catcher and a trash catcher. All right, so now I'm putting the tray right on top, and as you can see, the pusher will push down your veggies, your fruits, and it will go through the juicer, and then we would have some nice tasting juice. Now this is the bottom piece for catching the juice, and the other bucket is for catching the trash. This is how it works. You have a power switch on and off, and then there's a reverse switch on this unit as well. Like I said, I love this unit. I had many juices. It's awesome. And it used a standard power cable. All right, United States standard power cable. So I got the power switched on. As you can see right now, this is how it's going to work. I throw some apples up in here, y'all. We're making some fruit juice, and I'm telling you right now, it's awesome. It is tasty. Now if you can look and see how this is working, and like I say, it's porcelain. All right, this is porcelain that we're working with, and that porcelain, man, is heavy duty, and it's quiet. This has been one quiet juicer. All right, all right, so what I'm doing now is I fill this up with fruits. As I got some sliced apples in here, I'm taking the pusher and I'm pushing everything down, okay? So I'm taking the pusher and pushing the fruits down, and as you can see, I'm collecting the juice on one end, and the pulp and the rest of the trash is going on the other end. So I went and I juiced up some pineapples along with some tangerines, some grapefruits, and these apples, and I got me a nice fruit juice. As you can see this here, this trash, how it's dry a little bit, and it took, you got all of your juice, y'all. I'm telling you right now. And all you have to do is just go ahead and fix you up some juice, pour it into a bottle. You can take this and put it into the fridge, use it at work or whatever the case may be, man. Do it at home, take it to the gym. This is some healthy drinking right here, and it'll definitely help your body system. So check it out. Now, all I need you to do is go over there to Keto Granny's Way, check out her channel, see what she's doing over there on her channel, and give this lady some love. I'm telling you, you'll love Granny, y'all. And subscribe to her YouTube channel and try her recipe. Thank you so much. Now, I want to also say thank you for watching this here video. Here is a couple more videos that you guys will watch, and I'm hoping that you will enjoy them. Also, as you can see my picture here, subscribe. Hit that picture and subscribe. Comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.